In this meditation, we will heal ourselves and our parents and ancestors of the wounds that have been carried on from one generation to another and release our future generations of the patterns of the family. So gently close your eyes. So sitting as comfortably as you can. And bringing a gentle smile on your face. Leaving aside all the pressures of the day, of the week, and coming to your center. Following your breath. Following the inhalation. And gently observing how the breath moves in your body. Just gentle observation of your breath. And as you exhale, feel your body is becoming more and more relaxed. Another beautiful breath, smilingly, and observe how it moves in your body. And as it moves, keep your awareness on the breath in the body. And as you exhale, feel your body is becoming more and more relaxed. Two cords from the soles of your feet connecting you to the Mother Earth. And as you connect to the Mother Earth, you feel a sense of safety, of protection, as if in a mother's womb. And your body starts to relax even more. You feel safe. You have nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just being with yourself. Your personal me time to re-energize, rejuvenate, and heal yourself. So relaxing your toes, your calves and shins. If you feel the need to move your body, allow that to get your center. Just to make sure your back is straight and your spine is straight and your neck is sitting straight. You feel so tall as you sit like this. Relaxing your knees front and back. Your thighs front and back, your hips, your bottom. Loosen up yourself. Move front to back, back to front. Your lower stomach is relaxed, as if the internal organs are receiving a massage. And so smile to your internal organs. Smile to your mid-stomach, upper stomach. Chest, front and back is relaxed. Upper chest. Open up yourself, your shoulders at the back, allowing more energy flow. Relaxing your shoulders, your arms, hands, fingertips. Loosen up your whole body, neck, front and back. Jaws, observe your jaws, around your eyes, your temples. And if you smile little more, your mouth and your jaws will relax even more. Breathe now to your heart center in the middle of the chest. And feel that as you breathe to your heart center, there's a gentle movement which allows you to relax even more. And your heart center feels very soft. Breathe to your heart center. Allow it to open, expand. This healing breath allows all the toxic energies to be released from your heart center and make space to open up so that you feel so calm, so gentle. You feel the self-love. So gently breathing to your heart center and breathing out from your heart center. And now visualize yourself as a fetus in your mother's womb. So safe, so protected. You knew instinctively your needs are met. And as you were born, you had a name. You had an identity already. You recognized your parents, your siblings, your surroundings. And you were very carefree. And as you started growing up, you started realizing the wounds that you had brought from your parents, from your grandparents and great-grandparents. You not only brought their genes, but you brought the energetic imprint of their circumstances, of the environment, of their behavior, of their emotions, of their traumas. And you started living your life, not knowing how you were behaving, why you were behaving in a particular way, how the circumstances of your life had molded you. bringing the image of your parents in front of you, whether they are living or not living, it doesn't matter. You're connected to them. Whether you know who your parents are, in case you're adopted, it doesn't matter. You're still connected to them. And see how their behavior, their tantrums, their emotional quotient, their reactions have molded you. And behind them, their parents, how they have molded, how your parents behaved, reacted out of not just the environment, then their own coping strategies, but instinctively their wounds, their baggage, their emotional, energetic imprints from their parents. And now behind your grandparents, the great-grandparents, the parents of your grandparents, how their life could have been. Maybe they were caught in the midst of a war, emotional abuse, traumas, insecurities of their lives, fear of lack of food maybe, lack of their needs being met, sexual abuse, shame, guilt, bitterness, jealousies, early death, abortions, so many products, so many qualities that we could have brought from them. And they stay within our energetic imprint, causing us to react in bouts of anger or jealousies or guilt, blame, shame, feeling less than, not worthy, not deserving. Affecting your life, your relationships, affecting the environments, the people that you attract, so that all these wounds of the generations of your ancestors could be released, neutralized, passed on to light, to be transformed. So breathe to your heart center space. And as you breathe into your heart center, feel the movement of your energy in the heart center. And as you breathe out, feel the energy from your heart center reaching your parents' heart centers. And as it touches your parents' heart center, feel and see how their wounds, not just their physical health conditions, then their genes, but the other silent, subtle, energetic imprints of their emotions, abuse, secrets in the family, trauma, which even they may not have been aware of their childhood, is being released through their feet deep into the core of the earth to be transformed into healing energies. Keep repeating, breathing to your heart center and breathing out to your parents, cleansing yourself, cleansing them in the process. Releasing the toxic energies through the feet into the core of the earth. Now breathe to your heart center again and breathe out to the heart center of your parents. And from there, the pure energy goes to their parents, through your fathers to his parents, through your mother to her parents. Heart centers, cleansing, purifying all the emotional abuse, the trauma, the guilt, the blame, the shame, the violence that they could have experienced, the lack of finances that they could have experienced, the torture they could have experienced in any form, physical, mental, emotional. All are being released through the soles of the feet into the core of the earth. I shall be quiet as you quietly do this process of healing yourself and healing your ancestors through your parents, to your grandparents. And now another beautiful healing breath to your heart center. As you exhale, exhale to your parents, through your parents to your grandparents, and through the grandparents to the great-grandparents. Healing the generational curses of physical disease, mental imbalance or disease, emotional disease, karmic debt, spiritual debt. Breathe to your heart center space. Allow the energy to go from your heart center to your parents' heart center, to your grandparents' heart center, to your great-grandparents' heart center. Releasing, purifying the heart centers of all the generations prior to your great-grandparents as well. All is well, all is well, all is well. Thank you, Divine Source, for allowing me to be the light for my ancestors, allowing me to heal myself and my ancestors of any karmic debt, physical conditions, diseases, mental disorders, emotional imbalances. And as all is healed, I choose to now respond differently. I choose to live from soul consciousness, not from the fears of the ego consciousness that my ancestors lived in. So anytime a situation arises, if my ancestors reacted from anger, jealousy, shame, guilt, I choose to be aware and release them there and then and come back to my heart-centered space and respond from love and light. I choose to have faith in the running of the universe. If my ancestors lived in control, domination, manipulation, played crafty games to feel safe and control the environment, I choose to respond from the place of love and faith because I feel safe living on the earth plane. I choose to karmically clear all debris, all remnants that exist in my energy field, my physical plane, my emotional plane, my mental plane, my spiritual plane, and shift the energetic imprints for my future generations. So my future generations, my children, do not have to go through what my ancestors went through, so that I do not have to go through what my ancestors went through, and my children do not have to go through what I went through. I am the light, I am the love, I am the healer of my ancestry. Allow the image of all your ancestors to fade away, thanking them for the healing that they have experienced. Breathe to your heart center. And as you breathe out to the heart center of your children, your siblings as well if you need to, your grandchildren. Breathe to the heart centers of your children, your grandchildren, or siblings or anybody, so that the future generations do not carry the load of the ancestors. Another beautiful healing breath. And as you breathe out the loving healing energy to your children, to your grandchildren, and the future generations. All is well, all is well, all is well. I am a being of love and light. Stay in these energies for a couple of minutes. I love and accept myself as I am. I love and accept myself as I am. I love and accept myself as I am. May all beings be healed. May all beings be blessed. May all beings be in love. May all beings be in peace. May all beings be forgiving. May all beings be compassionate. May all beings be the love and light that they are at their core. Love and light, love and light, love and light. Gently now, coming back to your breath and feeling your breath in your body. Move your body that might have become stiff for sitting for so long. Move your fingers, move your toes, and come back to your natural environment. Come back to the room in which you're sitting. Get familiarized with the sounds. Sounds in your room. Get familiarized with the sounds around you. No rush. Gently open your eyes, thanking the source energy for guiding us today. I thank you for joining me and thank yourself for being here. Stay blessed.